Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I'm going to walk you through the process now on how to update your LinkedIn headshot photo. So what we're going to do is, starting at the LinkedIn homepage, if you click on either the in symbol or the home symbol, it'll take you to the homepage. If you click on the left bar in here, your headshot photo will appear in here, or your name. Just click on one of those two. This is the fastest way to get to your profile. Inside your profile, let's say you just got a new headshot photo, you never had a headshot photo, but you want to update that in there. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this pencil icon that appears right next to that More box. This will go into your profile, and you'll see there's another pencil icon right next to that headshot photo circle. Click on that, and from here, if you wanted, you could click on Change Photo, and this would take you to your desktop, or you might have a new photo saved, and then you simply click on that, and that would add it to bring it into your profile. While you're here, I want to also point out to you, you're going to notice within this circle there's like a grid of 9 squares, kind of like a Brady Bunch grid, if you will. What I like to do is make sure that my face, from the top of my forehead to the bottom of my chin, that's about 50 to 60% of the circle. Now that's important because we have about half of web traffic on LinkedIn is being viewed on a mobile device, and it's really difficult to see your face. And also, a little bit more zoomed in you are, the more important and the more impressive you seem. So what I like to do is try to line up the top of my head to the top of that middle square, right? The middle square at the top in the Brady Bunch, right? And then my chin, I like to have it kind of going through that line at the bottom of the second, or that middle square. Okay, and that makes sure that my face is taking about 50 to 60% of the circle, and it's nicely framed out there. Once I'm happy with those changes, I'm going to go ahead and click on Apply, and do keep in mind you can use this zoom tool here if you want to zoom in or zoom out on your photo. And that's it. And then I click on Apply, and then I make sure that the changes are saved to my profile. That's the process for uploading your LinkedIn photo or for changing out your photo on your profile. Do make sure that your headshot photo is pleasant, or at least, if you're not smiling, at least pleasant looking. It's professional looking. It's you at your professional best. It's current, meaning if I see you at in an in-person event or on a Zoom call, it looks like you today, not you from 20 years ago. And make sure it's professional looking. Headshot photographers do a great job with this. At minimum, though, make sure it's not a selfie, like your car in the background or a cropped out wedding photo where I see somebody's arm in there. You want this to be you at your professional best, because this is the first impression people are getting of you, and that same impression is being reinforced every time they visit your profile. Okay, that's it. This is your LinkedIn headshot photo. This has been a tip from Brenda Meller at Meller Marketing. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and share it with someone in your network.